We're going to be using the half racks in the back of the room where we do free weights for bars and dumbbells. There's a lot of different ways you can set up the half racks to fit each individual person and for all the different types of lifts that you can do. We're going to go over the parts of the half rack first.
The half rack consists of a platform and a metal arch. The arch consists of two metal columns that have safety hooks and arms that can be moved to adjust for different people and lifts.
Platform at the base of the half rack is solid wood in the middle with a rubber outer. The rubber outers are for the Olympic lifts.
The top of the arch has a pull-up bar. The plates on the weight rack are organized from lighter and smaller plates at the top to larger and heavier weights at the bottom.
We have some safety hooks. These safety hooks basically just have
two pegs that fit into the notches on the columns. The number on both sides of the columns should be the same so that you have a level surface to place the bar.
The half racks also have safety arms. The safety arms are just like the hooks. They have pegs, and those pegs fit into the columns, the notches in the columns, and use the numbering system the same way. Make sure the bar is going to rest evenly across. The black platforms in the back of the half rack are for the spotter to stand on. It's important to always use collars at the end of the bars, so when the person lifting is raising the bar, if their motion is uneven, this can cause the weight plates to slide on the bar, and this can be very unsafe. So make sure that the collars are always in place and snug tight so that the plates won't slide on the bar.
The long bars weigh 45 pounds, so it's important when you first start lifting free weights that you use very light weights or no weights until you get used to balancing the bar as you go through the range of motion.
The bench has a lot of different features to do a lot of different things. It has a handle underneath the seated part where you can lift up and then use wheels in the front to move it to where you want it to go. After you get it in place, there is a yellow notch like the ones in the seat that you can pull and move it for finer tuning adjustments. This is a flat bench, obviously. You can lift it up to two different inclines, or you can go all the way to a full seated position. A lot of guys, when they do inclines, also want to have the seat up, and so the seat can adjust and come up that way as well. So there's a couple different ways that you can adjust for lots of different exercises. Underneath the black platform is a hook that the bench can be slid into to make sure that it stays in place. Next to the side of the half racks are for holding the rubber Olympic plates. The pegs in the front of these plates are placed for the collars to be stored.
The sleeve in the back of the rack is for bars to be stored. That's an easy curl bar. The purpose of this video was to show you the different parts of the half rack and how you adjust those parts so that you can set it up for you as an individual. Stay tuned for future videos on different free weight lifts like chest press, incline bench, squats, and using dumbbells, and of course how to spot for all those things.